My name's Nicholas Pym and I'm a change system analyst for Novuna. Novuna itself has been in existence probably a couple of years. We rebranded from Hitachi Capital UK. You probably know us most by the consumer finance. So if you go into, say, Magnet to buy a new kitchen and take it out on finance, we're probably the providers that give you that finance. Similarly, franchises. If you want to franchise a branch of Subway, for example, our business finance division can help with the financing of that. We've also got vehicle solutions, asset leasing, anything from cars to the Asda delivery vans, for example. We were using a very outdated system to keep track of our projects in our portfolio. So we're using a range of different forms and workflows to capture all of our data. So Planisware offered a great project and program management tool to help us get our consistency within our data space and help us manage our projects and our portfolios more efficiently. The way in which Planisware delivered it in individual workshops, but during those workshops you're actually configuring your system, you're actually pulling your data in, so you're not just learning about the system, you're actually building it. And that approach to actually implementing and getting the data in, I think, was unusual, but it was very, very effective. Very effective, even to the point now where some of our project managers are wishing that they used their approach on some of the projects that they're delivering themselves. We had one project manager throughout as well, so having that one single point of contact who was an expert in the system or was able to put you in contact with the people that you need to know to help you resolve any issues, again, was invaluable. So it's made the process very easy. Our project manager got to know us, got to know what we do, how we do it, our processes, which then enabled him to suggest functionality of the system that would help us in developing our processes, for example, or using a certain part of the system for risks, or a certain part of the system for lessons, a certain part of the system for this, that and the other, based on how we operate at the moment, which then meant we didn't have to go and redesign all of our processes to fit in. So yeah, I think the way in which they approached it was brilliant. I would recommend Planisware, yes. Mainly because it just keeps everything together. It's a really simple system to use, to get to know, but not just from a user experience, but because I'm one of the administrators of the system, from a background position as well, you are able to easily make changes to the system without having to go and wait for Planisware to develop it and push it through. So from an end user perspective, it's really sort of intuitive, and you can get to where you need to go, and it's sort of clearly defined and laid out. And from an administration point of view, it's really easy to sort of get your head around and keep up to date and keep working, basically.